Alright, so first thing you want to do is go into the We Heart app, find the background. I'm choosing this one. And then after that, you want to go into the Fonto app. You want to click on the middle icon and go to plain image. After you do that, you want to choose the white or black. You want to put it at 1280 by 720 because that has to be the size of the thumbnail on YouTube. And now you want to use it and save it, or you could just use it. It really don't matter. Now add an image, choose your background, size it up. It took me a minute to just get this the right size because I wanted the height and everything to be perfect. But yeah, just make sure it's even, or to your liking. No, just make sure it's even. Alright, so as you can see, it really took me a little minute to get this right. When you adjust the size, all you have to do is click on the image and size, and everything should pop up. You could just push the plus or the minus button because there's really no way to just use your fingers to do this. But I'm almost done. Alright, so now you can literally click anywhere outside of the image and make sure the text pop up, and you can choose your font, make it whatever. I just try to make things look as good as possible. I like this font, so I think I'm gonna just stick with this one. Alright, right here, this is just gonna be something that takes you however long, because I just want mine to look as aesthetically pleasing as possible. So that's why it's taking me a while to figure out how I want to put my font, how I want to align everything. Alright, so now I want basically a border around my text. So I went to stroke. I chose black as the alpha, and I made the width a little bigger so that it's easier to see. Alright, so now I just went on Safari and I searched up the PNG version of every app that I use to create the thumbnail. And I just saved it because these are going to be the pictures that I'm inserting inside of the thumbnail. Alright, so after you guys save these images, now you want to add the image to your thumbnail. So that's exactly what I did. You can adjust the size, you can make it tilt, you can make it blend into the background, make it look a little transparent, but I ain't do that. I just wanted to tilt it, make it a little smaller, and I could work with that. So since I only use these two apps, this is going to be what's on my thumbnail. And I also use my phone, so I inserted a picture of a phone also. And again, now just play around with how you want your stuff to look. I kind of just wanted it to look like this, just nice. But yeah, you guys, this is basically it. So I hope I did a good job at explaining to you how to create a thumbnail by using your iPhone. So now all you have to do is save your image and you're done. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.